Hi everyone. In this series of videos for character creation, I will walk you through how I create characters for games, starting from a default base mesh and building into a complete rigged game character in Unreal Engine. This series will go into software-specific methods, but I will make sure to provide the guiding principles that can be adapted and used in any software. By the end of the series, you will have a flexible game character process and a game character for your project. So let's get started. Okay, so I won't be covering concept drawing or sculpting here, concept sculpting. We will be using a different process where concept work is blended in with the character modeling. This is to keep the process flowing at a good pace. I would recommend looking around for artwork done for a character or creature design that is similar to what you have in mind. If you do decide to take on some artwork from an artist, maybe from ArtStation or some website like that, make sure to contact the artist who created the concept art and let them know what you're going to do. In my experience, and I've been doing this for a while, as long as it's a non-commercial project, artists usually don't have any problem with it. In fact, some will be happy to see their concepts being taken on. Once you have a concept that can work for you, it's time to gather some supporting references. The concept does not need to be exact, exactly what you believe you want the character or creature to look like. We will be starting loose and doing passes on the character or creature, and we'll be making edits and refinements as we go. The first set of references needed are just for the head of the character. Don't worry too much about the hair right now. The aim is to get building fast, and we will be doing passes of refinement, editing, and even exploration, like I said earlier. For supporting references, let's keep the appearance loose for right now again. Find a few images that support the facial features of your character. I will be using PureRef to store and display my references, and I do highly recommend it. I'll put the link in the description if you're interested. A note here, it's not required to work with a concept. It's fine to just have the references for the face to get started, but I think it's always a good idea to get a concept done if possible. I also have a Discord available if you want to share your progress or have any questions that you need to share a screenshot for. Or if you want to just share and learn together with others, I will have a link for the Discord in the description as well. So let's go ahead and get your concept together and references, and I'll see you in the next video.